everybody, it's me, Louie. We're gonna be doing another game video. I have to retake this 3 times because I kept saying the wrong thing. Anyway, so why does my TV have to do it? Right, so guys, so today we're gonna be doing, let me think, 5,000 years later, quadrillion years later. I know. We're going to be a cop. Yes, you heard me. We are now the new cops. I've never been a cop in Brookhaven. I'm not even joking. That's why I'm doing it. At least I have premium. I can spawn the helicopter in. I can fly a helicopter. I'm waiting for a call. Okay, who's going to rob the bank? I want to get someone. Do I get guns? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Never mind. Club Brooks is... Man, Club Brooks is open. Club Brooks is open, guys. I'm sorry, POV me. If it was real life, I'm quitting. Club Brooks time. And that's what I'm doing right now. New Club Brooks video. Yeah. You might say I don't own the hair, but if you see, I do own the hair, actually. See? Owned, it says. I own all of this, what I'm wearing. So, yeah. Oh, I think I'm the criminal now. 1 minute. Guns out. Alright, 1 minute. Let me pause the vid. Hey guys, so we're gonna drive around Brookhaven, and first I need to test the ramp out. Right, if I messed it up. 1 minute. Let me get the perfect angle. Yeah, what, Amelia? What? You wanted me now, what? Alright guys, so we're still gonna drive around Brookhaven. If I don't talk that I'm gonna push you. What was that? Wait, my car! No! My car! No! How will I fix it now? Guys, now I've got no car. Guess I'm all alone. And another car, what's also like mine. I'm gonna go to the repair store. I'm getting a tower to tow my car right now. So yeah. It's gonna be at the pet store. The pet store. The pet store. The pet store. Right, so I'll come over here. Right, 1 minute. Alright guys, so where is my car? Wait, do I go on it? No, how will I get this fixed? Guys, let me talk to the manager. Manager, where are you? Manager! Manager? Hi, how may I help you? How long would it take to fix my car? I really need it doing, please. Please, it'll take 3 days. I'll get to work on it right now. Bye, sir. Right, so since that mystery's gone, I need to fix this car. Right, 2 tyres missing. I need 2 back in. Then, wait, it's on fire, I forgot. I need to put it out. I forgot that it was on fire. Is it out? Finally! This is out. Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah, I need to put it up. You must be vehicle driving. You must be vehicle driving, I guess. Going up. New tyres, any new tyres? Auto repair, oh yes. This is what I need, auto repair. A screwdriver, that'll help me a lot. Let me put the tyres back in. Finally, it's back in. Let's go to the next. Good as new. Let me go up there and hammer it so none of it falls. Try this so none of the tyres fall. Oh, not get in. This tyre looks like it's gonna fall. 1 minute. That should be good as new now. Let me go call the owner. 3 days later. Hello, mystery. I'm calling you. I would like to speak to you. Meet me at the Sport and Luxury Cars place, please. I'll be waiting. Hi, I'm here for my car. Yes, your car is over here. Follow me. Here's your car. Safe as new. Okay, here's your car. Okay, thank you. Da, 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 da. Oh no! Not again! My car! Like and subscribe for part 2. Peace!